guys, thanks for coming to Draw with Mom. Today I'm going to draw a wizard. Okay, grab your pen. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start with the wizard's head. So we're just going to do this little circle here, up, and over just like that. Now we're going to put that wizard hat on. So we're going to come up, and then we're going to come back down just like that. And we're going to come up. And just connect that point right there. All right, now we're going to just draw some puffy hair on the side here. We're going to draw in his beard. So we're going to do a mustache and a beard. So first we're going to put a little bit of his nose right about here. And then we're going to come in and put this little mustache. So you go up, just like that, up, and back in. We're going to just connect the nose right there. And now we're going to put in that long wizard beard. Just like that. And now we're going to draw his eyes. Just going to do two little dots for the eyes. We're going to draw that cape. So we're going to just come out right about here. Come down, up. Same thing on the other side. Down, back up, down. And then we're going to connect that. All right, now we're going to put his hands in. So we're going to do one little hand over here. Drawing the fingers. And then we're going to do a hand holding a wand on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw it bent over a little bit. So first the thumb is going to be coming up just like this. And then the hand is going to come over just like that. And we're going to put those fingers in. And we're going to have that magic wand coming up and down. Finish that hand. Just like that. Now we're going to put his little feet in, legs. We're going to give him some shoes. Maybe put a couple buckles on them. And then we're going to go ahead and on his hat and his cape, cloak, we're going to put some moons and stars. Start there, one down there. Fill it all in, just like that. One little one over here, and I think we are done with his clothes. So we're just going to put the floor for him to stand on over here. And we are just about ready. Make sure those eyes are nice and even. I'm going to put a couple little eyebrows on him. Maybe some marks in his beard. Make it look pretty puffy here. And, okay. Think it's just about time to get coloring. So grab your crayons and let's go. Okay guys, there we have it. There's our wizard. Yay! Thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. See you next time.